So first, let's start with the basic thing, that is how to print in Java. Okay. So to print anything in Java, we have two statements. Okay. So first is System.out.print ln one thing, and whatever you have write in double quotes, print on your console exactly one thing. Okay. And after that, semicolon one thing. Okay. Next is, that is System.out.print one thing. Okay. And again, double quotes, whatever you have written in double quotes, exactly print on the console one thing. Okay. So these are the two ways to print anything in your Java one thing. Okay. Now that both are used to print the data one thing, then what is the difference between first and second statement one thing? Okay. So the difference is, like, first is System.out.print ln one thing. Okay. And second one is System.out.print one thing. Okay. Like ln part one thing. Okay. So the difference is, like, with the help of ln one thing, we can print in multiple lines. Okay. On the other hand, this print will print in the same line one thing. Okay. So for an example, your user input is your any input is, let's take an example, System.out.print ln one thing, and you're writing get sd ready one thing. Okay. This is first line, and second is System.out.println dsa course one thing. Okay. And same with System.out.print one thing. System.out.print, System.out.print one thing. Okay. Now the output for the first case is get sd ready in first line. Okay. And your dsa course in the second line. Okay. But on the other hand, if we are using System.out.print one thing, so get sd ready, and in continuation to this, next thing is dsa course one thing. Okay. That's the difference between System.out.println and System.out.print one thing. Okay. So let's quickly see the demo of this thing. Okay. So let me try to print this one. So System.out.println get sd ready one thing. Okay. And next is System.out.println dsa course one thing. Okay. Now let's run this code. So we are getting get sd ready in one line and dsa course in the second line one thing. Okay. But if I remove ln and now run this code, so we are getting in the same line one thing, get sd ready and dsa course one thing. Okay. So that's the difference between System.out.println and System.out.print. Okay. But now let's say you want to achieve the behavior of System.out.println with the help of System.out.print. Okay. So for that, just add \n in the end one thing. Okay. Like your complete statement and then \n one thing. Okay. So if I add \n one thing, so it's basically print dsa course in the next line. Okay. Get sd ready and dsa course one thing. Okay. So \n basically used to move to the next line one thing. Okay, so that's the idea of it. Okay, so observation here is, if I want to print anything in a single line, we are going to use print one thing. Okay, print used to print in a same line. Okay, next thing is println used to print in multiple lines. Okay, and third thing is, if I want to achieve the behavior of System.out.println with the help of System.out.print is, so that is print plus, okay, here this complete statement and end with backslash n. Okay, so in this way we can print anything in Java 1. Okay, so that's your first topic, printing in Java 1.